Hello!
Hello guys.
Guess who we have?
Ta-da! And ta-da! And ta-da!
Oh my god, I'm कति wait गर्नु पर्यो यार यो collab गर्नको लागि and हुन्छ नि look at the amount of food we have. कसले खाने who's gonna eat all of this?
यहाँ खान्छ नि हामी दिदैन हैन?
Yeah, introduce गर्नै पर्दैन.
पर्छ होला.
पर्छ होला. तपाई गर्दिनुस् न introduction.
Hi guys, मेरो नाम चाहिँ के हो? सुनुसुनुक. I am Sunusunuk अनि म चाहिँ युट्युबर हो अनि युट्युब गरेको लगभग 7 वर्ष भयो अनि
Wow, 7 years.
Finally I think I came across you guys when you properly did mukbang video and I came across your channel and I start watching and I really liked the audio as well and I think I commented saying really nice and since then our conversation suru bhayo and she was doing I think spicy noodle challenge and I was doing spicy noodle challenge as well and उले जित्यो नि त हैन अनि she was like पिरो खादा रहेछ अनि I was looking for someone to like challenge and finally we found each other and here it is.
And we have Amro Baini as well, Gina Baini. Ule pani khन्छ अनि खानेकुरा चाहिँ we've got fries, pizza, different khale, chicken nuggets, chicken wings, strips, and a couple of sandwiches, and we've got drinks.
So basically this is our first ever collaboration. And यसपछि चाहिँ हामी स्पाइसी नुडल मेरो च्यानलमा हाल्न आटेको छ. So
I'm scared now because I thought I'll win.
Make sure to watch Sunusunuk ko channel.
उसले मलाई हिजो राति नै प्रेसर गरेको थियो जित्नु पर्छ.
Now I heard that. Now I heard.
नाम राख्नु पर्दैन त नि. लास्टमा प्यारिस मात्र होला है तिम्रो जेस होला.
Alright guys. For our first ever collaboration
and more
to come.
Finally.
Fanta is
सुरुमा के खामो?
Oh yeah.
म त बर्गर हो बर्गर
खानु पर्ला. तिम्रो हाफ खाने त?
हैन न उयो छ मेरो. It's okay. Hey, don't eat too much because I'm in the
Oh, give me that fish or you want chicken?
Come on.
Huh?
I'm good with anything.
Oh, shall we have half?
Oh yeah.
It's not good.
1, 2.
Oh. Hey.
What the I'll give it someone music. You guys are so polite.
Should I even suck it?
It's okay. Oh, pizza ni ham. Your garlic dip bina pizza is not the same.
That's right.
If you invite me for dinner and if you have pizza, if you don't have garlic bread, then I'm gonna leave your house.
You know, I was thinking something. Shall I say you guys? Timorle, come and dine with me भन्ने program हेर्छौ?
Oh yeah.
I was thinking we should do that.
Yeah.
In near future.
We would do, yeah.
It's basically when there's 4 strangers and त्यो मान्छेले चाहिँ invite गर्छ अनि घरमा invite गर्छ अनि they secretly score you out of 10 and they score you for the food, the attendance, and how you are with your guests and entertainment or गर्छ के. So त्यही गर्नु भनेको sisterसँग and sister is gonna cook.
La. मासु भात दाल तरकारी.
के को मासु बनाउनु हुन्छ?
Maybe pork because most people like pork.
Pork curry अनि साग है दालसँग.
तर मलाई त कस्तो कम्पिटिसन भन्दिए
You have to win. म चाहिँ if I have a chance of winning, I'll try. If I don't have a chance of winning, what's the point?
It's not all about winning. Tell her.
Says the dark horse.
Oh my god.
That's true.
You know, nobody remembers second or third. They will always remember first.
Oh my god, that's the wrong decision.
That's the morning going. And the guys obviously try your best.
Lie.
Oh boy.
Oh my god.
Imagine the bio पहिलादेखि नै
Who farted? Did someone fart?
Oh man, he's blowing his nose over.
I thought he made some kind of गरेर sound गरेको जस्तो लाग्यो त.
Your reaction, man. Babe.
I thought Bena farted. And his sister said, no, that was him blowing his nose.
Yeah.
Now I made it even more weird. Oh, but I don't even want to know how he farts. But
what
does it mean?
It means faith, and this is sun.
That's cute.
Son, why?
Because I'm bright, I'm happy, I'm jolly.
Tiम्रो tattoo देखाइदेऊ न त.
Nah.
देखाउ न अब सिस्टर.
खै हेरौँ न.
Cancer मा.
Wow,
constellation. Looks nice.
दुख्यो?
त्यति साह्रो दुख्दैन न. तपाईले दुख्यो?
यो चाहिँ दुखेको थियो, यो चाहिँ दुखेन.
स्क्रैच मात्र गरेको जस्तो आएको थियो अलरेडी.
मान्छे त बलियो रहेछ त.
Oh no.
She can take the pain. म त सक्दैन.
पेन बियर गर्न सक्ने रहेछ क्या.
म त त्यो हस्पिटलमा गएर त्यो ब्लड टेस्ट गर्नु त यस्तो हेर्नै सक्दिन. अनि म के त्यो नर्सहरुलाई can I get a plaster please भन्छ है त्यसलाई. You're not a child भन्छ. It hurts. Then a plaster. So.
You're not a child.
Oh.
What about bungee jumpingहरु?
Oh no thank you.
Oh, you?
Mom, I might try the door to लाग्छ. Danger. तपाईँ?
म पनि साथीहरु थियो भने ग्रुपमा के हामी गयौं त साथीहरुले गरेन गर्थे क्या उ जस्तै आ भन्यो भने म पनि आ गर्थे ग्रुपमा के अब गरम हुन्छ नि एउटा आर्ट हुन्छ नि
Yeah. Okay sister, we've got some questions for you. Any tiमी पनि answer, feel free if you want to answer.
म पनि answer गर्दिम ल. के?
Tiमी, what's the weirdest food you've had?
Weirdest?
Like not unusual.
Yeah, unusual.
Yeah.
Low.
So
weirdest, I think mussels.
Mussels.
Is that weird? I don't know.
तपाईले के seafood खानुहुन्छ? कोहीले seafood खाँदैन so for them it will be weird.
Yeah.
Oyster खानुहुन्छ?
I want to try.
Oh.
है त्यो लेमन हालेर क्या
पानीपुरी जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई त. अलिअलि
वाउ.
टेक्सचर कस्तो weird हुन्छ तर स्लाइमी हुन्छ भित्र.
Pani kata gaya. Next question. If you were a wrestler, which wrestler would you be?
Oh, who's gonna answer first?
म त Undertaker.
तपाईँ आउँछ नि.
Undertaker दामी छ है. Rock.
Rock?
Oh yeah, I was gonna say the Rock too.
Can you do the Rock guy?
Oh,
My brother can.
I used to try it so much.
Oh lala.
What would you be? John Cena?
Oh,
You can't see me.
Honey, okay. What's your least favorite food as a child? What was your least favorite?
I have. Madam.
Least favorite food?
Least
Least no मन परेको हैन बच्चा बेला न मन परेको तर अहिले चाहिँ मन पर्ने क्या चिप्ले भेन्टी तिते करेला अनि त्यो बैगुन अनि त्यो फर्सी
Really?
पहिला होस्टेलमा त्यही दिने के गर्नु त फर्सी आलु खाँदा मान्छे पनि आलु भइसक्यो
सानोमा सेम तपाईँ जस्तै कुनै पनि भेजिटेबल नखाने अनि त्यो करीमा पनि पुरा त्यो प्याज अनि टमाटर हाल्छ नि त्यो पनि सबै बिनेर लाइक झोल मात्रै खाने लिटरली 19 years हुँदासम्म मैले खाँदैन त्यो भेजिटेबल अनि मेरो दाइले अहिले भन्छ नि बल्ल खाने गरेछ भनेर
राजमा मलाई राजमा मन पर्दैन.
Oh no.
Kidney beans हैन?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
मेरो फेभरेट
And what about other beans?
म त खान्थे हस्टेलमा
त्यो पानी हाल्थ्यो क्या त्यो दाल जस्तो बनाउँछ राजमा चाहिँ माथि माथि बस्थ्यो क्या अनि त्यो हुन्छ नि लिक्विड पानीको लेयर हुन्थ्यो क्या घिन लाग्थ्यो
What's your favorite Nepali food?
मलाई थाहा छ मेरो
मलाई पनि थाहा छ मेरो
के
सँगै भन्यो
I think it's not the same amount.
3, 2, 1, bana.
Okay, let's 1, 2, 3.
Chami.
Botua.
really different
तिम्रो के हो अनि बहिनीको
तिम्रो के हो रे
मोमो
ए फेभरेट फुड
same answer
तिम्रो के हो रे I'll guess yours
La bana. I thought you'd be quicker than this.
favorite Nepali food okay, egg fried rice is not Nepali food neither.
No, that's not Nepali food.
It's not momo. Dal?
दाल भात
के हो I forgot.
Dal भन्दै होला.
नाइ भन न कस्तो रहेछ त्यस्तो नगर न
मोमो मनपर्छ
आइ कसले देखे
बहिनीले भन्दै
भेरभेरे मोमो सो गुड हो
झोल मोमो is the best.
हो नि
भेटबाटे मोमो
अनि उनले त
What is
स्टिम मोमो
भेटबाटा?
त्यो भेरभेरे भनेको चाहिँ झोलवाला मोमो नाम
ए
भेरभेरे यत्रो ठुलो गुगल गर न यत्रो ठुलो भाँडामा हुन्छ भेरभेर अनि 5 रुपियाँको आधी प्लेट आउने यस्तो यस्तो गर्ने
5 रुपैयाँमा
पहिला
अहिले त 50 रुपैयाँ
हाम्रो जमानामा खाएको
5 रुपैयाँको कति रह्यो 5 वटा
5 रुपियाँ है हाफ प्लेट आउँथ्यो होइन
Oh my god.
मोमो चाहिँ 25 रुपियाँ
अनि 10 रुपियाँको फुल प्लेट
अहिले त 50 रुपैयाँ परेछ
मलाई चाहिँ त्यो ओरेन्ज बल किनेको थाहा छ 25 सेन्ट नेपाली त्यो ओरेन्ज बल चारवटा आउँथ्यो नि
चारवटा 1 रुपियाँको
त्यो चाहिँ थाहा छ
कालो मन पर्थ्यो कि रातो
रातो I didn't like कालो
मन
रातो कालो नि हुन्थ्यो
कालो हुन्थ्यो नि पिरो पिरो
कालो ए कालो त मलाई पनि थाहा छैन
If you could hang out with any cartoon character
so cool
which character would you hang out with?
that's a tricky one
कार्टुन
धेरै छ
X-Man
Oh yeah that's a
Abby
good one.
Strom
That's a good one.
मलाई एक्सनहरु मन पर्छ नि त त्यसैले होला
Sailor Moon is good no?
Oh even better because you're so pretty even better
Mom, you have One Piece हरु हेर्छु त्यो नारुतोहरु नि सबै हेर्छु म
I love
I
Joe
think I would be Yu-Gi-Oh.
What's Yu-Gi-Oh?
The card को game
Or Luffy.
है मलाई जोरो मन पर्छ he's so handsome
He's so cool के
Yeah.
Yeah, यस्तो काटेर नि क्या cool के
है
If you had to take your friends to Nepal, where would you take them first? घुमाउन
कति सजिलो हाम्रो घरबाट च्याट्ट निस्क्यो लभ डाँडा जाउँ
Love Dada?
Which one is that?
त्यसै चका भनेको है
Love Dada?
हाम्रो घरको यतापट्टि क्या एउटा डाँडा हुन्छ क्या त्यसलाई चाहिँ लभ डाँडा हुन्थ्यो किनभने लभ बर्ड्सहरू आउँथ्यो क्या अनि त्यो डाँडामा गयो मजाले सिनरीहरू देख्थ्यो क्या
Oh,
free
the dating spot.
फ्री एक्सकर्सन
Boy is getting ideas. म जानु पर्ला
फ्री एक्सकर्सन
जेसँग 2017 मा गएर मात्र मलाई अलिअलि थाहा भएको अनि I would probably take them to Tamil because that's the only place
yeah.
I sort of remember.
Oh my god, बौद्धनाथ लग्यो स्वयम्भूनाथ लग्यो चितवन
quite good.
लग्यो
Yeah.
पोखरा लग्यो त्यो सबै बिर्सेको
Tamil is lit.
Last
you
one,
know. Would you rather have eyelashes as fingers or fingers as eyelashes?
eyelashes as
Fingers or fingers as eyelashes?
Fingers as eyelashes.
fingers as
अनि fingers as eyelashes भने चाहिँ how you gonna grab things
yeah.
हातको हुन्छ नि
it's gonna be all fluffy
No, you don't have hands.
Fingers as
Your fingers are going to be up here.
Oh, you. So what do you have?
eyelashes
You don't
as
have
fingers
hands.
I guess
No, you have eyelashes. So if यस्तो हुन्छ है
fingers yeah on your eyelashes
Yeah.
I think that's creepy I would be this
eyelashes with fingers
So if you have to pick something, you're like, यसरी pick गर्नुपर्छ. Would you rather be an Olympic gold medalist or an astronaut?
oh astronaut
Yeah.
NASA
Gold medalist.
Oh.
Olympic yeah they'll be fit they'll be so healthy and fit नि त
And plus astronauts.
तर astronauts पनि खासै fit नै हुन्छ तर
Yeah.
yeah
that'd be so cool no one can do our job man
and you can go up there and you can see.
And you can take a selfie.
Yes, and make a vlog.
Astronaut.
I'm an astronaut. Okay, guys, this is it for today. अब हामीले खान त अलिअलि खायो तर we couldn't eat all of it because obviously हाम्रो स्पाइसी नुडल गर्नुपर्छ अनि हाम्रो 2 contestant
अनि तिमी पनि गर्ने हैन
सबैजना गरौँ
well अब मैले खाएको त कसले नि हेर्दैन होला खुद म त खाएको हो कि त्यो नुडलले मलाई हेरिराखेको हुन्छ के you know so yeah, we'll try to do about spicy noodle and we had so much fun, sister. Thank you for the pizza and
thank you for inviting us.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for the flower. Thank you for the kidney surprise.
That's not for you, eh?
Yeah.
Last for that. Thank you. It's for Hitu, yeah. And yeah, so there you guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next video.